Good morning, Mumbai. We are at Fire India 2023 event at Mumbai, NESCO on number 4. And with me, Mr. Vishal Singh Solanki is a Senior Vice President of Marketing in Ceasefire Industries Private Limited. So, Vishal sir, can you brief us how is going this year, this Fire India 2023 for you, and what are the new launches this year from Ceasefire Industries?
Okay. So first of all, pleasure meeting you after a year, Bhavan. And meeting so also your viewers. I remember we connected last year as well, and there was something else. So clearly this year the theme is looking into the future. So what we are trying to do from Ceasefire is we are trying to look into the future with two dimensions in mind. One, being ready to be able to fireproof and protect spaces as they're emerging in the modern world. So while the industry is still looking at the conventional systems and protecting conventional spaces, we are already at a point where we're looking at how do we protect the new emerging spaces, such as small enclosed areas, your CNC machines, your wind turbines, your earth movers, your vehicle engines. So in the fire trade, I believe, there is also a responsibility to be sure that we are able to meet the demand coming from tomorrow. So that is on one side. On the other side, when we look at the future from a perspective of being able to create a greener future, to be able to create solutions which are sustainable in nature. And that's broadly the underlying theme, this year from Ceasefire. And very proud again to be presenting a whole lot of new technologies and new solutions in the area of firefighting. Where I'm standing right now is right in front of a model of a passenger bus. This is a system that has been developed in response to the new regulation that has come out, where it becomes now mandatory for long distance passenger buses to be equipped with automatic fire suppression systems. So this is an example of that. I invite you to come inside and take a closer look. So very briefly, this one is a low pressure water mist based suppression system created exclusively to protect the bus passenger area. So what happens is that the thing is now broken and divided into two parts. One is what we do to safeguard and help evacuation of passengers in case of a fire emergency in a bus. And then we have a system, a part of the system which is also designed to protect the engine area. So this is clearly a new offering from our side. As I mentioned, this is in response to the new regulation that has come out in the marketplace. So if you come, I'll give you a closer look. So you have detection lines running on top along with the actuation lines. The system can be programmed to accommodate all sorts of buses from small, medium to large, where the system can be configured from a minimum of 9 nozzles to up to 35 nozzles and accordingly alter the engine capacity. And here it is important to note that we are using water mist, which is the safest agent today possible to be used in the presence of human beings. So because we're talking about bus passenger area protection, so without taking much time, I'll take you to the engine protection section, engine compartments. So where we were looking at using water mist earlier in the passenger area, we're looking at more potent powder-based agents. We also take you to the other section, which is where we are displaying the kitchen range. And if you can have a look, this is where we're displaying the complete range of commercial kitchen fire suppression systems from Ceasefire. So on one side, we now have LPCB certified systems in both water mist and wet chemical as a category. But the new entry into the range is the introduction of the UL listed kitchen fire suppression system, which is what we are launching at Fire India today. With the law of the UL listed system, the range is now complete in the kitchen fire suppression world. And what makes this system truly outstanding is that it's a really versatile system that we've tried to design, which can be configured and installed at the premises of a customer. This is the risk that we address. So one, this can be configured to be activated mechanically or triggered electronically. So there are two options that we have. It uses a 100% REACH compliant wetting agent as the extinguishant. And then it has the added features of an integrated gas shut-off valve attached to the system, which gives you this added layer of safety. And then, as I said, the gas shutoff valve comes integrated with this, and if it is an electrically triggered system, we can also cut off the power supply going into the appliance for additional safety. So with the addition of the system into the range, the thing is now complete, and we are in a position to offer to our customers a system which is absolutely suited to address the risk at their premises. And of course, the kitchen world also has systems in the domestic fire protection category, and then also extinguishers which are specifically designed for putting out the kitchen fires. So like I said, the theme this year is also looking into the future. So I thought before we sign off, we'll show you some technologies that are really futuristic in nature. So what we're doing from Ceasefire is developing technologies today also for space applications, which are going to be a matter of national pride in the times to come. So this being a sensitive technology, we're trying to be a little sensitive with how we display and provide visibility around this technology, but we will have a closer look. These are technologies designed for zero gravity space applications for all the ambitious space projects that the government of India is now going to take up. Also, with it, we have specialized systems now developed for aircraft fire protection. Whether it is defense-based aircrafts or civilian aircrafts, these are systems designed again to protect fires and engines in the aircraft. So you can, of course, take a peep inside and look at. So I think that is what the flavor of the year has been for us at Fire India. And once again, wish you all the very best. Thank you for visiting the Ceasefire Pavilion. Thanks very much indeed.